So at Wormington and Bollinger, we handle medical malpractice cases all across the country. And that's because no matter what state you're in, the standard of care is always going to be the same. The elements of your case is always going to be the same. You have the requirement that you prove what the standard of care was, how it was violated, and how that violation caused damages. Each and every one of those elements have to be established through expert testimony, and it has to be established through expert testimony that is reliable, that is relevant, and that is specific to whatever the issue is in the case. And so that's where our expertise comes in. These are not things that folks who don't have the training can generally do, and they are not things that lawyers who don't have the specialty know how to do. So that's why it's important to hire somebody who has been specializing in this area for decades, because we know where the experts are that you need for any given case and how to put the case together. A large part of what we do for our clients is providing a coherent explanation of what happened. There are a lot of people who have experienced horrific events and they don't know what happened, and they want to know. And they have a sense of burden to their family member who's been injured that cannot go away, that cannot be satisfied until they've gone through the investigatory process and they understand what happened. And if it was something that is not below the standard of care or that did not cause the damages, then they feel at least they have done what their duty to their family member requires them to do. And it provides a real sense of closure. Alternatively, if the investigation reveals that there was a standard of care violation, that did cause the damages, then they feel empowered to move forward with attorneys that aren't going to gaslight them in any way. None of the process is easy. It takes a long time and it takes commitment to get through it, and that's what we do. If you or a loved one have been injured by medical malpractice, give us a call. There's no cost to you up front. We do perform the investigation and we will let you know what the truth of the matter is. The unfortunate reality is that you are not likely to get the truth from whatever doctor you're dealing with or whatever hospital you're dealing with, because they have a vested interest in hiding that from you, and they are not free to disclose these details because it would cost them and their insurance companies money, and that is not how the world works.